Hello mga tol, good morning. See this? It's what we call Oreo fudgy frozen cake. Very easy to make. So let me show you how. Okay. All we need is some Oreo like this, crushed. It's crushed inside. This. So, magiging crumbs yung inside niya, yung loob niya. It's either vanilla flavor or chocolate flavor. It's up to you mga tol. And fudgy bar. One pack. 10 pieces inside. So, we need only 3. And container, plastic container, and we have here the whipping cream. It's all-purpose cream actually, mixed up with condensed milk. So this, if you can see this clearly, like this. So now let's proceed to the process. Okay mga tol, tapos na. So, lalagay natin to sa freezer para for about 1 hour. Pwede na siyang i-serve, pwede na siyang kainin. Masarap na siya. Frozen na siya. So, okay. So, yun na mga tol. Sana may natutunan kayo sa frozen cake na shinare ko sa inyo.
Sarap daw sabi ni Janet.
So, see? Feedback from our customer.
Sabi niya.
Masarap daw.
Sabi
Because-
niya, ate, ang sarap po. Pwede po ba niyang mag-order uli sa New Year?
Okay, pwede. Kahit ilan, gagawa ako niyan.
Naku, ate, si Bio, message ka daw o order daw po. Sabi ko, masarap.
See? Daming umu-order. And it cost 90 pesos. And affordable. For the taste, it's really worth it. So, mga tol, salamat. See you on my next video.